Title 42 has been the immigration policy at the southern border for the past 3 years. Ruby Powers is an immigration and nationality attorney based in Texas with more than 20 years of experience, and she's now joining us live to discuss the situation there on the ground and kind of where we are. Thanks for giving us some time. What is the root issue here as to why this is such a major story, and do you agree that this is a major story, and why?
The Trump administration, like you've said, used the 42 to expel nearly 2 million people the last 3 years. And that was sort of an easy way to try to avoid this issue. And now that it's going away today, they know that there's a lot of pent-up demand. Things have been going on in countries. People have been wanting to flee for years. And now it seems like this might be their chance. I recently had some clients contact me. They had been waiting 2 months in Brownsville area, on the Reynosa area side, and they had just learned about CBP-1 from the consultation they had with me. I was shocked by that because they hadn't heard about it yet. They'd been waiting for 2 months near the border. So that also indicates that information is not being spread properly. Then once they learned about it, they weren't able to get appointments. And I've heard from other advocates at the border, it can depend as like how good of your phone you have, if you have 5 or 4G service. So there is a lot of misinformation, and there has been anticipation for people trying to cross over before Title 42 goes away because of all the new policies that are going to go into place after today, including the circumventing lawful pathways rule. People are fleeing horrible situations, and they're trying to use, like you said, the beacon of law and truth here in the United States and the asylum law, and they're trying to find a way that they can find a better life and flee from these situations. And that's why we have asylum law. And that's, as advocates, what our concern is by the confusion and the restrictions by these upcoming policies like the circumventing lawful pathway. It's going to make it nearly impossible for those to navigate the process and actually be able to apply or even have asylum approved.
Texas immigration attorney Ruby Powers, thanks so much for sharing some insight with us this morning. We really